Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a stacked line graph in Google Sheets step by step. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then select your data, month, product A, product B and product C. Then go to Insert tab, Chart, Chart type, Setup, Chart type, drop down menu, find Stack Area Chart. See this? Menu chart. Use stack area chart, stacking 100% or standard. Customize chart style, chart and axis titles, add series, apply to all series or use manually. Line color, opacity, add error bars, data labels, trend line. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.